Hey friends, today is a really exciting within the digital company called Legacy Builder Program. We have a fantastic announcement. We just had our 30th millionaire in South Africa, a regular mother, stay-at-home mom that just took just 15 months to reach a million mark. And this is so exciting. And over 8,000 people in South Africa in this business currently. And I'm just going to hop over to my community and show you right there. This is the school community that we use, and I can go into the article, and there's the article of the lady that just did this and how she did it, and she shares all her humble testimony right there. And that's how this business works. And just make sure you get in touch. There's the details. Ask all the questions and make sure you can at least make an informed decision. The digital space is waiting for you.